Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about this Google phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set notification ringtone on Google phone. Friends, we want to set guys your Google phone guys phone notification ringtone. So how to set Google phone guys notification ringtone. Today friends we will talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting to set Google phone notification ringtone. So after on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your Google phone sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, you can adjust guys your volume, media volume, call volume, ringtone volume, and notification and alarm volume guys. You can increase right side and decrease left side. Friends, you can see do not disturb setting. Friends, you want to on your do not disturb, you want to use do not disturb setting on your Google phone. So friends, you can on from here. Second option friends, you want to set guys your Google phone ringtone. So friends, you can set ringtone. Friends, tap here which ringtone you like guys, tap here and guys save option, ringtone will save means ringtone will set. So friends, you can see guys notification sound is off means notification ringtone. So guys, we will tap here pixel sound, we will click here and guys which ringtone you like guys, select any ringtone. So I like this one. And friends, you can see save option guys, tap here. Friends, you can see notification ringtone will save, tap here to set. So friends, your notification ringtone will set. And friends, you can increase guys your notification volume from here guys. So like that guys, you can set guys your notification ringtone on your Google phone. And guys, one more option, then guys you can set your notification ringtone. How to set guys? Open your phone setting, search bar guys, we will search again notification. So guys, search again notification sound. Friends, you can see notification sound setting. So I search again notification sound also. Don't hear, so I direct friends search here guys sound setting. So guys, sound setting. Friends, you can see guys sound and vibration, tap here. And friends, you can see notification sound. So guys, tap here which ringtone you like guys, select any ringtone, save option, ringtone will set. As you can see, ringtone will set. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to set notification ringtone on Google phone. So bye guys.